Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia Hazova and today we are focusing on one of the most challenging and exciting jumps in figure skating, the Axel. Whether you are working on your single axel or trying to master your double axel, this video will guide you through key exercises to improve your technique. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple exercises that will improve your axel. These exercises will help you develop better timing, stronger takeoff, and faster rotation. They are easy to practice and they will build the foundation you need for a more consistent and confident jump. Our first exercise is forward outside 3 turns into a waltz jump. We are going to focus on timing during the 3 turns, bending before the turn, and then rising up and checking the position after the turn on a straight skating leg. Make sure you stretch your free leg, turn it out and keep it pointed as you move through the circle. Start on the left foot, then continue on the right foot. From the right backward inside edge, step directly into your waltz jump. As you step into the jump, focus on keeping your free leg turned out, slightly bent, with your right hip open. The second focus is your upper body position. Hold your arms steady with the same arm as your skating leg in front of you during the 3 turns and maintain a controlled, stable upper body position twisted outside of the circle as you go into the forward outside edge. This exercise will help you improve timing and body control, especially when stepping onto the forward outside edge for your axel takeoff. It will also help you develop the correct bend and extension rhythm, bending before the takeoff and then rising up with control into the jump. Our second exercise is done around the circle, focusing on control after the waltz jump landing. After you land, keep your left side in front with your left knee bent and your hip closed. This is a challenging exercise that requires strength and good control. As you land, make sure to check your shoulders to the right to control the rotation. The goal here is to control your upper body rotation on the landing edge and glide on a strong backward outside edge in a stable position for as long as possible, without letting your shoulders and hips turn. It took my students multiple tries to control the rotation on the landing, and as you can see, we started in a very unstable position. The left arm and left leg kept moving around and backward outside edge wasn't controlled. But with practice, it gradually got better. Remember, when you land, keep your hips underneath you and check your right shoulder back to prevent your body from turning to the left. A different variation of the same exercise is a waltz jump into a Twizzle turns. After you land the jump, immediately pull your arms into a tight air position and bring your feet and ankles together. From there, start your Twizzles right away. Some common mistakes in this exercise include rocking too much from your toe to your heel during the Twizzles, which cause you to lose balance. Another mistake is not checking the landing and not pulling your arms and legs into a tight position before starting the turns. This often leads to wobbly rotations and loss of control. Make sure to check to the right with your shoulders on the landing, then quickly bring your arms and feet into a tight air position before starting your Twizzles. This exercise is great for controlling your takeoff, checking your landing position, and practicing on tight air position during Twizzles. If you are a beginner skater just starting to take your first steps on the ice, or an advanced skater looking to improve your technique, visit my website styleskating.com and sign up for my Figure Skating Foundations video course. This course includes 100 step-by-step videos covering technique, common mistakes, and exercises to fix them, so you can make your skating journey more effective and enjoyable from the very beginning. Click the link above or check the description below to sign up. Our last exercise today is a combination of a forward outside 3 turn and a toe spin. The purpose of this exercise is to learn how to finish strong on the forward outside edge before your axel jump. You will also practice rocking from the heel to the toe, which helps create momentum for the rotation. Start with the right forward outside 3 turn on the first half circle. Then step onto the left forward outside edge into the second half circle. Finish the outside edge with a toe lift on the left foot, bringing your arms and free leg in front, looking in the direction of your movement. Next, perform 1.5 revolution on your toe, trying to exit on the same foot, landing on the left backward inside edge. Immediately after that, step into another turn from the right foot and repeat the exercise multiple times. Focus on keeping your weight over your left foot with your back straight, free leg bent and lifted, and arms bent in front. Make sure not to over-rotate your upper body. Keep your left side in front as you move your right side through, then turn onto your toe, maintaining a straight and controlled body during the toe spin. This exercise is great for feeling your body straight in the air, working with your skating foot to finish the outside edge, and completing your takeoff from the toe. It also helps you control your upper body and free side as you go into the jump, which is essential for a clean and balanced axle. Today we worked on 3 key exercises. First, forward outside 3 turns into a waltz jump to improve the entry and timing for your axle. Second, a waltz jump into a checked landing position and Twizzles to develop a tight air position and better control on the landing. And third, a 3 turn into a toe turn to help you improve your takeoff, create better rotation, and maintain a straighter body position in the air. Remember, whether you are working on your single or double axle, these exercises will help you build timing, strength, and edge control, all essential for a clean, confident takeoff and landing. Practice consistently, focus on keeping your upper body stable, and don't rush the process. Progress takes time, but each repetition brings you closer to mastering your axle. If you enjoyed today's video and learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and join my YouTube membership. By joining, you will support the channel and get access to more detailed tutorials and customized videos to help you improve your skating even faster. Thank you for joining me today, keep practicing, and I see you next time.